let's turn on this haze meter. Here, this is a composition aperture, and this is zero aperture. Now, this model has two standards. First, we choose ISO standard for example. When we choose one standard, we need to do the calibration first. We should keep the composition aperture open and cover the zero calibration. Continue. Now we do 0% calibration, and then remove the zero calibration here. Continue, and we do the 100% calibration. Okay, now we can match the sample. First, we put the sample in the composition aperture. Measure it. And then we put the sample in the zero calibration aperture. Okay. Now we get the transmission value and the haze value. Here are C, A, and D6 5 light source. Then we choose ASTM standards for example. We need to do the calibration again. Cover the both zero calibration and composition operation here. We need to do 0% calibration first, and then to remove the zero calibration and continue. Now we do the 100% calibration again. Okay, then we can match the sample. In this ASTM standards, we only need to measure one time in the zero calibration here. Okay, now we get the transmission and haze value here. Let's see the manual here, data, calibration, standards, match mode. We can do average and continuous measurement, and display setting. For this model, now we use the horizontal type. We also can choose vertical.
我拉背的，这边的，这样的。
Okay, you can see we can do the vertical measurement, put the sample here. Okay, let's go back to horizontal. Here is system setting. We can do some setting here. Okay, that's all for this model.